Hi guys, so this is just a quick video showing you guys my makeup for Thanksgiving. I hope everyone had a happy Thanksgiving. So I only used one palette to create this makeup look and I love how it came out. I felt really pretty and beautiful. I used the Masquerade, the Mini by Juvia's Palace, and yeah, and you guys know my favorite mascara is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, and that's the one I used. And for the lips, I ended up going with this lipstick. I can't remember what it's by, but I got it at the dollar store. And my outfit was, the dress was from H&M and the kimono is from Burlington, and the shoes I had were by, honestly I can't remember where I got the boots from, but the necklace is from, that I got from for my birthday. And yeah, and then my glasses and all that, and I only used 3 eyeshadows out of that palette, and the highlight, I felt like that copper colors, that orangey and reddish eyeshadows really complemented my dark brown eyes. But anyways, let me know if you guys want to see a video on this, and don't forget to subscribe.